Tia gas na inegene riria riumanaga na mirurungano teno riahota guthina thutha wa thirikari guthikiriria makaya ma onjoria aria indo cio ikoretwo igithukagio uguo makenda mirurungano eno irugamio.
For the time being, we will not allow demonstrations within the central business districts of Nairobi, Mombasa and Kisumu. The Inspector General of Police has been advised accordingly.
Ruo rwa andu aria indo ciao ithukangitio kuma riria mirurungano eno yarumiriria Nasa yanjiriria ni rukuhorohio thutha wa thirikari kumera mahure riboti niguo kumenyeke uria indo ciao ingirihwo. Matiang'i aumana gikaro na ahuri biashara aikiro itiganite bururi-ini na mamwira wonjoria ni uhagukite na gikiro kinene uguo bururi ni gucoka uracoka na thutha.
I am calling upon all Kenyans whose property was destroyed or looted during the demonstrations to report to the OCS Nairobi Central Police Station to facilitate the legal action we intend to take.
Kurikana na watho no nginya maabithaa a borithi mamenyithio iguru ria mirurungano oro yothe niguo magacirithio ugitiri no kungigie na ngui kana ngahiha oro ciothe ni itemi ria mabanga mirurungano eno gutigirira arurungani matinaingirira biashara ciene.
I wish to confirm to you that we shall prefer charges against the said Mr. Magaya, and we are waiting for the report on the damages caused so as to quantify the value of the claims.
Iritajira kugitira biashara kugigakorwo na mirurungano teno matuko ma rucio, Dr. Fred Matiang'i ni hagikite kihonia.
On the act, I will shortly be gazetting regulations that govern the conduct of public processions and demonstrations.
Ni oritie titima igyo bururi mbere ya matanya mao magi uteti niguo thayo gacire. Riu kuma umuthi aria megutabania mirurungano gatagati ka micii ya Nairobi, Githumo na Mombasa megukorwo maunite watho na maabithaa a borithi ni mekung'ethanira nao toria watho ugite. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Muriuki wa Mucoki.